It is pure white, and I'm so tired, and I cannot see a thing. It's about 11 or 12 kilometers up this route, Omisaka, that I'm taking, and I've never done this before during the winter time. But hopefully the weather will stay good. Should be beautiful up there, let's see. At this point, there's no trail. Getting higher, the snow is just a little bit harder, so I'm not sinking in quite as much. Every single step you're making the trail, you're breaking the trail, so you're stepping in deep, even with snowshoes. But slowly but surely, making progress. But wow, this is consuming a lot of energy. This is really exhausting to walk up in snowshoes through deep snow most of the way. Here we've gotten fairly high up now. And look at this, up on the edge of a cliff. One thing that's nice about hiking in the wintertime is that you can really see the shape of the mountain more than you would be able to in the summer. Still got quite a ways to go. And look at that wind, those clouds are moving fast. This part is really steep. It's pretty hard to, each step is a battle. But that's how you go up, one step at a time, right? But man, each step hurts. Don't know if I'm gonna make it today. It's about minus 10-ish Celsius and getting higher and higher. Man, this is an intense workout. I haven't been able to record much because it's below minus 10 and the GoPro keeps dying on me. Going down a slope in deep snow here before the final ascent, and there are just no tracks whatsoever. Look at this, just pure white. Looks like nobody else hiked up today. There it is. Summit of Mount Iwate, not another soul. The normal door is right there, and it's completely buried. So this second story entrance here makes it still viable as an emergency shelter, even during the winter. All right, onwards to the summit. To be honest, I'm dead tired, my muscles, my legs hurt, but I'm happy. I'm glad that I'm wearing crampons, which are good in this hard-packed snow and occasional ice. I just slide the spikes right in there. Makes it less dangerous and less slippery to walk up. Getting close to the top. Might get lucky. Look at the summit there. Blue sky. Pretty windy, but it could be worse. It's only about maybe minus 12, minus 13 up here, and when you're moving, it's not too bad. It's cold though. And here we are again, number one. A moment of respite from the wind on the way back down. This is summit number one for 2022. I wanted to tell you a few stories, but it's just been so hard. It's the best I can do just to make it up and down. the wind is always coming from the other side, so this side doesn't have as much snow buildup. And I think there's also more volcanic activity on this side, so it's a little warmer. There's all sorts of spots that are heated with no snow. The weather has changed again, and it is just all white. This is where I came from, but the footprints are already totally invisible. So it's time to start heading back before I freeze. It's cold, and it is pure white. And I'm so tired. And look at this, just going up, up, up this slope, back towards the trailhead. You gotta go back up before I go down in this case. And I cannot see a thing. On the way down, my footprints have been completely erased by the wind. And it is now white, white, white. And so if you weren't really familiar with the trail, it would be easy to get lost in the wintertime on your way down. Because look, your footprints are gone. There's nothing here. Well, it's overcast even in the afternoon, but going down is so much, whoa. As I say that, I slip, but I was gonna say, going down is so much easier than going up. Just gotta watch your footing, don't slip, maybe grab onto these rocks as you go. I've still got the crampons on here, as you can see, with the spikes, which help me not slip too much. And here we got a rope for some of the most sketchy bits here. But yeah, you don't want to fall this way. That goes down. You'd hurt yourself pretty badly if you fell down there. So I will not fall. I will hold on to the rope and use my spiky shoes. My crampons. Aizen in Japanese. This hike is really an advanced level hike. I mean, I don't want to sound like I'm bragging or something, but I've been doing this mountain a lot. I climbed it about 24 times last year, and I've done a lot of winter hiking as well, and that's why I'm comfortable, more or less, on good weather days doing this in the winter. But if you're not an experienced winter hiker, you definitely want to wait till at least June to hike Mount Iwate, because in the snow, it is really dangerous, and people do meet accidents. People do die, every year pretty much here. And so you want to know your limits and have all the right gear, and go with friends. If you really want to do a winter hike, there's so many other great winter mountains besides Mount Iwate. For example, Mount Morioka, Mount Hachimantai, even Himekami if you're in the area, Hakoda, Zao, all those areas are great for the winter. I'm gonna put this camera away and head back down carefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trails.